Hi guys, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute little bunny heads, and then I also did a take on it and made little bunny butts. The original creator of this is from, well, it was posted on Cratepaper, and the original creator's name, I just had it up, give me a second. So this is the original creator of these little bunnies. Her name is Jessie Christopher. So she is the original creator of these little bunny heads, and look how cute hers are. Hers are absolutely adorable. I think she said she used the Flourish collection from Cratepaper, so that's how she made hers. I made mine using just some of the supplies I had, but I wanted to do a take on this, and then I also was inspired by these Target stickers. These Target stickers were part of the Target Dollar Spot last Easter, I think it was. So I saw the heads and I thought, those kind of look like those bunny butts I have. So I also made some bunny butts, and I think everything came out really cute. And I know some people have already done a tutorial on how to make these, but this is just my take on it. I'm not trying to take credit for this idea at all. Obviously, I just showed you the original creator of this. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick how to make them. So I made these using dies. I have a Sizzix Big Kick, and I just bought dies from AliExpress. So I have an oval set. This is what the oval set looks like, and then I don't have them cut out, but I just have a stitched circle set. And they come with a bunch of different sizes, as you can see. So what I did was I used, for the bunny heads I'm going to start with, I used this size circle. Let me get a measurement for you. This circle is a 2-inch, this circle is 2 inches. And then I have a oval die, which this one is about almost 2 inches. So those are the sizes I used. If you want to get this look, you could use bigger if you're looking to make bigger bunny heads. I made this one using a bigger circle and the same size oval, and I think it came out pretty cute, but I do like the dimension, or like the, dimension of the smaller ones, so I didn't make any more of these. And then I did make a big circle bunny butt. He's got a really big butt. I think that's kind of funny. But so you can use big circles, you could use bigger ovals. And then for the bunny butts, I used the same 2-inch circle. And then I also have a smaller oval, so I cut out 2 of the regular ovals and then 2 of these smaller ovals in the brown. And this one is about 1.5 inches. And if you get a nesting die set, you'll have enough to make these. You'll have the right sizes. So, but those are the sizes I use. You can look in your dies and see what you have and see if you can make anything. You could also use punches. So yeah, I'm just going to show you really quick how to make them. So you need those dies. You need 1 circle and 2 ovals to make the bunnies, and then 2 additional ovals if you're making the butts. And then I have some of these flowers. These are the ones I use. They're from the Paper Studio. They're just from Hobby Lobby. Cute glittery flowers. You can use any flowers that you have. I also used these to make the bunny butts, so they're just some white pom-poms. I got these at Hobby Lobby also. I also have some colored ones, like pink, purple, and yellow, so that might be really cute if you want to put them on the butt. And then for the faces, I used these heart stickers I got from Walmart during Valentine's Day season. And I used those for the noses. I used some small ones and some big ones. I do like the big ones better just because it fills up the space more, but you can use whatever you want. Use whatever you have. I was going to also use enamel dots too. You could use those. So yeah, I'm just going to show you really quick how to make them. I already have my circles cut out. So we're going to start with the head. All you do is, it's really easy. So you have these 3 pieces, and whoops, make sure they're all the right side. So you have these 3 pieces, and then you just take 1 oval, put some hot glue, and you can use whatever glue you want, or you could use even tape, honestly, and you just glue it on like that. And be careful because the glue is kind of hot, and I've been burning myself a lot lately, so I want you guys to be careful and don't burn yourself. And if you do, it's not my fault. And then you just glue the second oval on just like that. You can overlap them a little bit. This flowers kind of cover up that, so it doesn't really matter how well you glue it on. And then you can take your flowers. I'm using 3 flowers just because I like the look of it. So I put a crown of glue like that down, and then I put my big one, and then I pick up the 2 little ones, and I just stick them on there. It's really, really simple. So you can see how easy these are to make. I made, I don't know how many this is, I'm not going to count, but I made a bunch, and it's only been like a half hour. So, and then you just take your little heart sticker or whatever you're using and just stick it on there. It's really simple, and they're really cute, and I'm going to include these in another Easter project which I'll be posting tomorrow that you guys can see. So I think these are really cute, and yeah, that's how you make the heads. And then to make the butts, it's very, very similar. So you need the same two ovals in a circle, and then you also need brown or whatever color you want to use mini ovals. And so first, put a line of glue down on your big oval and stick the small oval on top. Do the same to the other one. Oops. And then this one, you can pretty much glue them wherever you want. You can make his feet really far apart, or you can make it just a little bit far apart, but I just put a little bit of glue right there. And then I guess that's good. I stick them on there, and then again, same with this one. So the only difference with the bunny butts from the bunny heads is that you're going to glue the ovals on top of the circle instead of behind the circle. So there's like, this is like his butt, and these are his feet, if you didn't get that. And then you can take a pom-pom. You could also use just like a circle die cut. That might work. You could use a heart. Let's see what a heart would look like. So that would be kind of cute to have a little heart on the back. But I think the pom-pom looks most like a bunny, and you don't need the mini ones. You could also use, cotton balls. You could use those. But I'm just going to stick it down on there. And that's what that looks like. So I think these are really cute and really simple to make. If you haven't followed me in my Facebook group or haven't joined the Facebook group yet, make sure you do so. It's linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you're enjoying this spring kickoff. So bye guys.